Good morning to all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Last class,
How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing good, my dear. Last class, we discussed the parts of the day, the 4 parts of the day. Now, which are the 4 parts of the day, Darsh Krishna? Which are the 4 parts of the day?
Morning, evening.
After morning, we have evening?
No,
No. So, after morning, we have?
morning,
Afternoon?
afternoon, evening,
And?
night.
Night. Very good. So these are the 4 parts of the day. One activity you have to tell me. Okay. In the morning. Ayan, one activity which you will do in the morning. One activity. Only one. Brush my teeth. Now, Darshak, tell me one which you will do in the afternoon. Afternoon. Darshak, one activity you will do in the afternoon.
Lunch.
I have my lunch in the afternoon. One activity you will do in the evening. Adna, in the evening time. Playing. Very good. One activity you will do at the night. Sai Krishna, very simple. Any one activity you will do in the night.
Sleep.
Sleep. Very good. We will sleep at night. Okay. Now, today we are going to see which time to which time is morning, which time to which time is afternoon, which time to which time is evening, and which time onwards the night will come. Okay. Now, what about one day? How many hours are there in one day? Anybody knows how many hours are there in one day? There are 24 hours. There are 24 hours in a day. Once again, one day equal to 24 hours. But you can see the time, no? See, in the morning, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, early morning, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. You maybe wake up at 6:30 or 7 o'clock, no? Then 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Now it is going to 10, I think. Yes, it's 9:58. After that, we have 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. No? After 12 o'clock, usually we will say which number? After 12, again we will move to 1 o'clock. No? Again we will move to 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Sometimes, no, in a railway station or in an airport, you can see the 24 hours clock. 24 hours clock. There you can see after 12, the time is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, up to 24. Okay. Here we are telling after 12, we are again telling 1 o'clock. Now I will share one clock having time 24 hours. Okay. Just 1 minute. No need to take the notebook now. Please listen here. See, you can see the 24 hours clock here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is 12 noon. See, this one. 12 noon. It's a 24 hours clock. See, 24 hours clock. This is 12 noon. Okay, again, it's written here 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. But here we are using after 12 again 1, 2, 3, 4. It will go like that. Okay, so this is a 24 hours clock. And let us see today what time to what time we have morning, then afternoon, evening, and night. Okay, let me show another clock. So we know 1 day equal to how many hours? 1 day means it is 24 hours. Okay, 1 day means it is 24 hours. Now I'm going to draw a clock. Okay, so for that I should draw a circle. Then I should mark the numbers, no? So this is 12.
I'm right.
No. Just listen to me. Let us understand first. Okay. See, this is 12 o'clock, 12 midnight. Okay. 12 midnight. Night, 12 o'clock. Now, so 1 o'clock, listen here. We have 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. These time you may be sleeping. No, this 12 is 12 night, 12 midnight. Okay. 1 o'clock. After that, we have 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Sometimes your father and mother may wake up at 6 o'clock or 6:30, 7 like that. Then 7 o'clock, you may be wake up at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. See, now it is 10 o'clock. Now it is 10 o'clock. Okay, 11 o'clock, then 12 o'clock. So this time, no, 12 midnight to 12 noon. This we can say 12 noon. Or another name for 12 noon is midday. M-I-D-D-A-Y. Midday. So please listen once again. So here we have, see, 12 midnight. After that, we have 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. So this time, no, the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon. This we call it as morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. You will wish the teachers or others know good morning. So 12 midnight to 12 noon. What's the time? Morning. Okay. 12 midnight to 12 noon. It's morning. So what is which part of the day now? Now it is which part of the day?
Morning.
Morning. Now it is morning. All of you please listen here. Listen. See, once again. 1 day means it is 24 hours. Okay, now we started from the 12 midnight. After 12 midnight, we have 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So these time, no, you may be sleeping early morning. Then 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, you may be wake up at 7 o'clock only this time. Then 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, your class will start at 8:30, no? 8:30. Then 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. So 12 o'clock, another name, 12 noon, or we can say midday. The time 12 noon is called midday. M-I-D-D-A-Y. Midday. So the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon, what we call morning. What we call morning. 12 midnight to 12 noon. Please listen here. The time between 12 midnight to 12 noon. What we call, Adna Sunil, what we call the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon?
Afternoon.
Aha. I didn't say about afternoon here. I only talk about the morning. So you are not listening here. That's the thing. Please listen here once again. Okay. 1 day means it is 24 hours. Now we are starting from 12 midnight. This is 12 midnight. So from 12 midnight, see, We have 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. You may not see in these time. You may be sleeping at this time. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. This time, the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon. What we call, Aldrin? What we call? The time between 12 midnight to 12 noon. Morning. Night 12 o'clock to 12 noon. We call it as morning. Okay. This time we call it as morning. Once again, the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon. What we call?
Morning.
The time between 12 midnight to 12 noon. What we call?
Morning.
Morning. Once again, the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon. What we call? Morning. What is the spelling of morning? M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. Okay. Time between 12 midnight to 12 noon, we call it as morning. And the time at 12 noon, we call it as midday. Okay, 12 noon. We call it as midday. M-I-D-D-A-Y. Midday. Now, let us see the remaining. See, now we understood what is morning. Now, let us see the remaining. Okay, just 1 minute. Now we can start. After 12 o'clock, again we have. Let me take another. Here we have 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Okay. So this time, this time, what we call after this morning, what will come? Can you tell me? After 12 noon, we have louder. Afternoon. Yes, it's afternoon. Okay? Afternoon. Please listen. The time from 12 noon to up to 5 o'clock, we can say afternoon. It is afternoon. Now, let us see the next one. After the afternoon time, which is the next one? Which is the next one? Evening. Yes. Evening. After 5, we have 6, 7, 8. So this time, we can call it as evening. This time we call it as evening time. So up to 5, you can wish others good afternoon. After 5, you can say evening, good evening. Okay, good evening. That time we will play. Evening time, we will do our homework. We play up to 8 o'clock. Okay, now after evening, what we have? Night. After evening, we have night. So after 8, we can say it's night. So after 8, we have 9, 10, 11, then 12. This time we can say night. Okay, this time we can say night. So once again, from 12 midnight to 12 noon. 12 midnight to 12 noon. What we call 12 midnight to 12 noon?
Morning.
Morning. Yes, we call it as morning. 12 midnight to 12 noon. This part of the day, we call it as morning. The other name for 12 noon, the time at 12 noon, we call it as
Afternoon.
M-I-D-D-A-Y, midday. Then the time from 12 noon to 12 midnight, we have afternoon, then evening and night. See, up to 5 o'clock, we have afternoon. Up to 8 o'clock, we have evening. Then 8 onwards, we have night. 8 onwards, we have night. So once again, the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon is called morning. Those who are listening, they can tell me the answer. Please listen here. Once again, the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon is called morning. Then the other name or the time at 12 noon is called
Noon.
12 noon. Other name for 12 noon. We call it as midday. Yes. M-I-D-D-A-Y. Midday. Okay. Anthony, listen here. Then up to 5 o'clock, what is the time? What is the part of the day? Up to 5 afternoon. Then up to 8 o'clock, we have evening. Okay. After 8, it is night. After 8, it is night. So once again, please listen here. 1 day means it is 24 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. And the time between 12 midnight, 12 midnight to 12 noon, we call it as morning. And the 12 noon, the time 12 noon, we call it as midday, M-I-D-D-A-Y, midday. And we have the time between 12 midday, means 12 noon to 12 midnight. We have afternoon, evening, and night. Okay, so up to 5 o'clock, we can say good afternoon. Up to 8 o'clock, 5 to 8, we can say evening. Then 8 onwards, we have night. Is it clear? Is it clear? Morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Okay, once again. The time between, Anthony, listen here. The time between 12 midnight to 12 noon is called morning. Okay. The time at 12 noon is called
Afternoon.
listen to the question. The time at 12 noon, what we call midday. Very good. It's midday. Okay. Then the time between 12 noon to 12 midnight, we have afternoon, then we have evening, then we have night. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. See, when we are sending, teachers are sending messages to you know about the timetable. There you can see AM and PM. That is, what is this AM and PM? AM means anti-meridian. That is 12 midnight to 12 noon. Okay. That is morning time. 12 night to 12 noon. AM, anti-meridian. And the other one, PM, post-meridian. That we have 12 noon to 12 midnight, post-meridian. Okay. Okay. Now, let me share the screen once again. Please listen. Okay. So, here you can see the sunrise. See, the sunrise is in the, when is the sun, when is the sunrise? The sunrise is in the morning. Is in the morning. The sunrise is in the morning. The sunrise is between 5 and 6 a.m. 5 and 6 a.m. You can see the word here. A.M. A.M. That is anti-meridian. Anti-meridian. Okay. Now let us see the sunset. See, the sunset is in the evening. The sunset is in the evening. The sunset is between 6 and 7 p.m. Here you can see p.m. See, in the morning you saw a.m. In the evening you can see p.m. So a.m. means anti-meridian. That is from time 12 midnight to 12 noon. p.m. means 12 noon to 12 midnight. Now let us see next one. a.m. is from midnight to midday. AM is from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. PM is from midday to midnight. PM is from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. So you have to study only means, or you have to know about what is, when is morning, what is 12 noon we call, and when is afternoon, evening, and night. Okay, so once again, we can say the parts of the day. We have 4 parts of the day: morning, afternoon, evening, and night. The time between 12 midnight, that means at night, okay, 12 midnight to 12 noon, we call it as morning. Then time at 12 noon is called
Morning.
And the time between 12 noon to 12 midnight, we have afternoon, evening, and night. So 3 parts will come after 12 noon. After 12 noon, we have afternoon, evening, or night. So let's write this in the notebook. Then it will be more clear. Okay. So please take a notebook, all of you. Please take a notebook.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can write at the top parts of the day. Parts of the day.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of parts?
Per. So which letter will come? Per. P.
P.
Parts. P-A-R-T-S. Daksha Deepak, where is a notebook? Open it and write. P-A-R-T-S. Parts.
Ma'am, I cannot see the screen.
I will send the same note in the group, my dear. Parts of the day. P-A-R-T-S. Parts of the day. Parts of the day. P-A-R-T-S. Parts. Parts of the day. D-A-Y. Day. Parts of the day.
Ma'am, what is today's date?
Today we have 22. 22. Now, below this heading, you can write the first point, that is 1 day is equal to what? How many hours? 1 day?
24 hours.
24 hours. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 day equal to 24 hours. Please write 1 day equal to 24 hours.
Man, I cannot see.
1 day equal to 24 hours. Let's move to the next one.
Yes.
Come and sit properly. Come and sit properly.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So the next point we have
Yes, ma'am.
THE. THE. The time between TIME. The time between. Are you remembering the word between?
Yes.
Yes. The time between. 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 The time between 12 midnight means at night. Okay, 12 night. 12 midnight. MIDNIGHT. The time between 12 midnight The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon. The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon. What we call the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon?
Morning.
Yes, it's morning. Is called.
Morning.
Yes, please write. Is called.
Morning.
Yes, please write. MORNING. Morning. The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called morning. Time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called morning. Okay, good. Now let's move to the next point. The time at... You continue. No problem. I will not change the speed. You can continue. You can continue. The time at 12 noon. What we call the time at 12 noon? The other name? 12 noon.
Afternoon.
The time at 12 noon.
Good night.
Eh?
Morning.
Eh? Midday. Yes, midday. It's midday. M-I-D, a small hyphen, D-A-Y, midday. One day equal to 24 hours. The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called morning. Then the time at 12 noon, we call it as midday. Ahlam is present today. Ahlam?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is present.
Okay. I know.
Mama, it is present.
No need to tell me. I understood. I saw you people here. If I didn't see, I will call out your name.
Okay, ma'am.
You complete the notes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The 2 points completed.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We have one more point.
Ma'am.
We have one more point. Let me write the third point.
Cold morning. Morning.
Yes, third point.
And the third point is
A-R-E.
M-O-R-I.
the time.
N-I-N-G.
Ma'am, somebody's audio is admitted.
The time between the time between 12 noon and 12 midnight
I can see, ma'am. Ma'am, I can see, ma'am. Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, you can continue the third point. the time between 12 noon and 12 midnight. So 12 noon to 12 midnight, we have 3 parts of the day. That means good afternoon, evening, and night. The time between 12 noon and 12 midnight is called afternoon, or we have evening, or we have night. So only these 3 points today. The one day means it is 24 hours, and the time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called morning. The time at 12 noon is called midday. The time between 12 noon and 12 midnight is called afternoon, evening, or night. You have to go in order, then it is very easy. Starting from the midnight to the same point. The time between 12 midnight to 12 noon, that much time, we call it as morning. Then after 12 noon, we have afternoon, evening, or night. Afternoon up to 5 o'clock, we have, the afternoon is up to 5 o'clock. Then after 5, we have evening up to 8 o'clock. Then after 8, we have night. So today you go to 2 new words, midday, midnight. Okay, today you go to 2 new words, midday and midnight, that you have to write and study 5 times. Okay, write and study 5 times these 2 new words, midday, midnight.
Midday.
Richard, did you complete the points? Yes. So please read the first one.
Completed.
Please read the first one. One day equal to?
1 day equal to 24 hours.
Very good. What is the next point?
The time between 12 midnight and 12
noon is called
morning.
Morning. Okay. The third point?
The
time at 12 noon is called?
midday.
Midday. And the third, last point, fourth point, the time?
The time
between?
The time between
12 noon and 12 midnight is called, that means it may come afternoon, evening, or night. And we also discuss AM and PM. And the meridian, that is from 12 midnight to 12 noon, the morning time, AM, the morning time. Then PM means 12 noon to 12 midnight. It may come afternoon, evening, and night. That parts of the day will come post meridian, PM. So I will send the same notes in the group. Those who didn't complete, you can complete it. Okay. And thank you for joining. Bye. See you in the next class.